fireworks. Yeah. But I'm
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pink-UniBudgetz, aka Ashley. I know I haven't been here for a while, but I got some unboxing for you. These are my samples that I got from my vendor on Alibaba. If you didn't know, Alibaba is a vendor where you can go and find all types of stuff for your little small business. But they gave me some samples. I really like this dashboard. These are for like A5 binders. And it's like a gold color, but that's cute. And I really do like these little iridescent, the one with the little stars. I'm gonna see if they can make them smaller, but it has a whole bunch of pockets on there, front and back. Really nice. So I'm just pulling out some more samples and my wallets. I also got two colors, one in a blush color and another one in a deep purple color. And they gave me a whole bunch of sticky notes. Like this one's a blush color. You can't really see it. I hope you can see the color. But they're pretty nice. They're like a little bit transparent. It's a cute color. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's like a blush pink color. And I really like this dashboard. And it says, "The dream is free, the hustle is sold separately." I'm gonna see if they can make this smaller and to include it with my wallet. And I just got more stickers that they included. Like some nude and blush pink stickers. And these are their envelopes. It's a little bit thicker, a little bit wider to fit these envelopes. So I might order some of those. And I got more sticky notes. They're like little tabs. Because I am thinking about doing like a shopping list dashboard for these wallets to go with them too. But here is the rose quartz, all rose gold hardware. And girl, I got more sticky notes, but they're cute though. Red and a pink and a little clip. So it has pink window, clear pink window, little secretary pockets. They have the little 3 slots in the back. I'm thinking about putting a window in the front of it right here. I think that would be cute because I think that's going to be like the new style to have it in the front. There's more pockets. And this is why I get samples. I'm going to tell y'all this right now because this is why it's so important to get samples from these overseas vendors, because this one didn't have a zipper pocket. I know y'all see that, right? So I'm gonna talk to them about that. Like, need them to fix that ASAP. So it's a really pretty color. My mom says she already has dibs on the first one, so I'm gonna give her my first one. And this one, I really do love this color. It's like a deep purple amethyst color. Also rose gold hardware, pink inlay. I think it's gonna look so pretty, especially for the winter. Such a pretty color. Like, I love it. I was like, I might have added something else. Tell me what you guys think. If I should add like a little charm on the zipper, just to add something a little bit to it. But I think this one was missing a zipper part too. So I don't know if there's something wrong with the manufacturer, like how they create these, but I'm gonna get them to fix it because this is my other one. but I love this one. Pink and purple. It has a big pocket in the back too. And it will come with like a rose gold chain or like a chunky chain. But these are it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.